Modern Systems Application Transparency Platform, or ATP, is a rehosting solution that allows our clients to move away from ADABAS into a relational environment, retain their natural syntax, eliminate software AG licensing fees, and leave the mainframe for good. ATP is delivered with a developer platform that's more robust and contains more tools than the legacy development environment. One of the most powerful tools in ATP is the fully featured debugger with breakpoints, watch variables, and step-through mode. The debugger can be used to step through a program, validate what's going on inside, and to improve the functionality. To use the debugger, start by opening the desired program and add a breakpoint. This is accomplished with a simple right-click menu option within the Program Edit tab. In this example, we're going to watch what happens as the user enters the program. Let's add a breakpoint at the beginning of the entry screen. The breakpoint we've set is identified by a red circle in the line count area. If we didn't know which program was the entry point, we could use the Debug Top button to start the debugging process. This button takes us to the first executable line of the defined entry point program. In this example, we know which program we want, so we use the regular Debug button. The application opens and waits for our input. The debug window at the bottom of the screen will display the code that's currently being processed. The variables window to the right displays any variables for the current process, as well as system and global variables. The watch variables and breakpoint windows display the items we've selected that are of particular interest during this debugging exercise. Clicking the Continue button allows us to step through the program to the next action point or the next breakpoint if another has been set. The yellow arrow in the line count area indicates which line of code is currently being processed. Breakpoints can be individually cleared, enabled, or disabled with the right-click menu option in the code. If you want to disable, enable, or clear all breakpoints in the system, you can use the right-click option in the Breakpoints window. Variables can be dragged to the Watch Variables window so it's easy to see when the value is updated. In this case, the action variable changes when the action is selected on the menu page, and the message variable changes when we land on the new page. The most powerful feature of the new platform is the ability to zoom into the current line of code in the documentation using the Eve Zoom feature. This opens the Source Explorer to the current program and highlights the active line. From here, features such as the Enterprise Explorer are available. The Enterprise Explorer allows you to view the current program's relationship to other programs in the system. Links within this area allow you to view the source lines that call other programs or go to the called programs for further exploration. ATP provides developers with the tools they need to maintain and enhance legacy applications with ease. The link between the source code debugger and the application documentation makes it possible to use ATP to explore alternate paths and immediately understand the processes involved.